What's up? This is the Yeezy SG2. Ordered this on August 9th. Got delivered out of nowhere. Partial delivery. Well, the second part of a partial delivery got delivered on January the 5th, 2026. So, yeah, quite a bit of months. Do the math. And yeah, it's here. I'm only waiting on one other product in this order. My first order from Yeezy.com post summer release, whatever. And this is the second bit in this order that I am reviewing, the SG2 in this insane chrome box. I was making the joke with the SG1 video that this is going to be like some kind of like perfume or some kind of a beauty product. But yeah, insane chrome insane chrome box. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And oh boy, it's tight in there. All right, come on. Let's go. Yeah, this thing's packaged super tight. There we go. There they are. And you're just straight up presented with them. No, you don't get like a cotton, nylon, whatever bag like you do with the SG1s. And then another funny bit, the SG1s have a name from Yeezy called the Yeezy Bugs that you don't see anywhere else. I thought that was hilarious. But yeah, with the SG2s, all you get is the plastic bag, it appears. And let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic bag. And yeah, it does appear to have a plastic cover. Maybe it's so hard to see with these Yeezy Bugs on. I gotta take these things off. This is one of those products where you're gonna have them on, you're never gonna know you have them on. And then people are just gonna be looking at you like you're crazy. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, I got the Yeezy shades on. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. Let me get the light better so y'all can see the reflections more. All right, so a little bit of dust on there. I thought that was a cover at first, nothing crazy. And yeah, they definitely feel like, the cheapest plastic possible. These are not luxury products whatsoever, but they are technically designer. It's a cool bit they got going on here with the, hold on, let me get it in frame better. Chai, leave it. Chai, leave it. Chai wants me to review the hat. So that looks to be heat shrunk in a way, maybe not. Maybe it's just put over there. I'm not gonna test it in any way. But you do got this really long strap. Has a bit of a curvature there for your ear. It looks like a serial number right there, saying Yeezy SG2 and some numbering. All right. Nothing appears to be on the other side. No, I see some stuff there too. CE number, EN number, okay. And then here's a POV look through there. So yeah, let's try these things on. All right, Chai, we got a more normal pair of sunglasses that can just hang around your neck like so. And then put them on. And yeah, they do have a good bit of pressure around your noggin. So I don't think these are going to go anywhere. Let's see what it looked like in this mirror right here. Oh man. This reminds me of what like every Balenciaga glasses looks like. Yeah, they have quite a curvature. And oh man, this is really interesting. It's so polarizing. So first thoughts, I would say this is more feminine rather than masculine, just because of how much it curves up. And yeah, I probably won't be wearing this hardly at all. I can honestly see myself wearing the SG1s more than this. But yeah, I'm sure my mom would love this. But for me, I don't think it works out for my build, my head, my vibe. But they're pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. And like I said, they do look like a designer piece for sure. You walk around in these, people are going to be like, okay, that's pretty sick, but just not on me, not in my opinion. But not really too much to say about this. So probably a shorter review, honestly. Yeah, you can hang it around your neck like so. Has a bit of bunginess to it. stretches a bit. And yeah, I would just be careful because I mean, it's a thin plastic. It is hollowed out too. Has plastic hinges on it that you probably saw in the close up. And yeah, there doesn't seem to be any polarizing whatsoever. I mean, this thing was $20. It's probably worth 5 to make. So yeah, nothing too crazy here, but cool. I got another pair of Yeezy sunglasses that I'm going to get to my mom because yeah, these are definitely more of a feminine design in my opinion. But pretty cool. Yeezy SG2s. Thank you all for watching as always. I'm going to review some more stuff, and I will see y'all later.